Super SaaS makes managing your bookings simple with an online booking system designed to save you time and hassle, while providing a better customer experience. In this video, we'll explore how Super SaaS benefits your business by letting clients book one of your services without your involvement. Super SaaS offers various types of schedules. For scheduling a simple one-on-one appointment or making a reservation, check out our other videos first. The schedule shown here is a more advanced type of schedule, called a service schedule. A key benefit of the service schedule is that it can take into account the availability of resources in other resource schedules and combine those into one. Another scenario where the unique capability of a service schedule can be used is when multiple resources are required for one booking. For example, a booking for a treatment requires that both a room and a therapist are available at the same time. And third, when different services require different resources. For example, a certain treatment can only be performed by specific staff members. In this video, we'll focus on these three scenarios, but there are several other use cases where a service schedule offers possibilities that other schedules don't. For example, matching two people, where a service for elderly assistance requires that a volunteer first fills out a spot to help. Randomly picking from a pool of resources when you rent out 20 identical bikes and the client doesn't need to select a specific one. Or present different schedules to different groups, for example, when you're a coach and provide different services or even prices to your clients. Now, let's have a closer look at the schedule that we just saw. The customer selects one of the three services on the left. What the customer doesn't need to see in this example is which specific people are capable of providing that service and which of them is available when. So the schedule displays all the slots where at least one staff member is available. In addition, a specific hairdryer needs to be available for the women's haircut, so this is also taken into consideration for the schedule that the customer sees. When the customer makes an appointment, the price for that service is displayed, including the price for a selected additional service. Now let's have a look at what's actually happening behind the scenes. What you currently see is the dashboard that you have access to as an administrator, with all the different schedules on it. The first schedule is the service schedule that we just looked at. There are 3 employees, each with their own schedule. And finally, there's a schedule that keeps track of the hairdryers. If we now look at the schedule of Kayla, we see that both appointments are on her schedule because of how we configured the main schedule. To be more specific, if we look at the configuration of the service schedule, we see that a women's haircut always uses the schedule of Kayla, as well as a large hairdryer. By the way, there's a video available where we explain step-by-step how a service schedule like this is configured. Because Kayla and the other employees each have their own schedule, they can easily modify their own availability. For example, if Kayla is always unavailable on Fridays, she has the possibility to indicate that here. She could also block specific periods, such as holidays. If a customer now looks at the main schedule and selects the woman's haircut again, they will see that there are no slots available on Friday because Kayla is the only employee to provide that service. Another possibility is for each employee to connect their schedule to a different schedule in Google Calendar or Microsoft Outlook. By keeping their schedules in sync, they know when a next appointment starts and can prevent bookings when they're unavailable. Optionally, you can automatically block an amount of time after each appointment per staff member, called buffer time. This would then allow for cleaning up or traveling to a different location. Once your schedule is set up, you can simply share the link with your clients. Just copy and paste it into an email or a text message as a link, or create a button using our button generator. For a professional and seamless booking experience, embed the schedule directly into your website. Or add a button that links to a full-size schedule. There are countless variations possible, and in our next video, we'll show you how to easily do this. Super SaaS works seamlessly on any device. Whether your clients are at home or on the go, they can book or change an appointment straight from their mobile phones. There is no need to download an app first to make booking as easy as possible. Reduce no-shows with automatic email and SMS confirmations and reminders. Plus, you can also receive instant notifications yourself if a booking is changed last minute, keeping you informed at all times. Super SaaS excels in flexibility. You can fully customize the booking process much further than what we've seen so far. And you can also change the layout of your schedule by adding your own logo, choose which type of schedules to show, and adjust the colors to match your brand. The software also lets you accept payments at the time of booking using a wide range of payment options. Whether via immediate payment, credits, or invoicing via a payment provider, you're no longer chasing payments. With Super SaaS, managing your bookings has never been easier. Save time, reduce hassle, and give your clients the best booking experience possible. Try Super SaaS today for free and learn how to set up your schedule in minutes in one of our other videos.